Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Today we are having something different. Yes, and as you can see from my background, there's a lot of sun running by me, but well, we're going to learn something different in this video, and we're going to learn some things that we usually have when we go on holidays, and I'm going to teach you how we call them in Kikuyu. The first word you're going to learn today is the word sea. The sea is called iria. Now the next word we're going to learn is trees. Trees are called mitii. When they are many, they are called mitii. When it's one, it's called mutii. Now the next word we're going to have is the word people. People are called andu. That is the plural of people. One person is called mundu. Now the other word we have is passport. A passport is called passporti. Now the next one is a plane. A plane, the one that we use to fly or to go from one country to the other one, is called ndege. Now the other word we are going to learn is police. Because we meet police at the airport, even during our travel in those destination countries. Police are called forithi. Now the next word we learn is sun. The sun is called riuwa. Besides, the sun is getting so hot for me right now. I wish I would have positioned this video in a different way, but I'll have to persevere to the end. Now the other thing we learn is food. Food is called irio. Now the other one we have is Sunburn, or when you want to say the sun is burning me, gucinwo ne riuwa. Gucinwo is the process of being burned, or the burn. Ne riuwa is the sunburn. I mean the sun. We said sun is called riuwa. Now don't mind my looking in all positions or in this size. I'm just looking around because some people are looking really strange. Anyway, yes, let's go ahead. Gucinwo ne riuwa, being burnt by the sun or sunburn. Gucinwo ne riuwa. Now, the other word we are going to learn is swim. Swimming, or the act of swimming, is gutufiraa, 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 gutufiraa. Now, let's say for example you want to say, I want to go swimming. This is how you say it. Direda guthiee gutufiraa. Direda guthiee, I want to go gutufiraa. Gutufiraa is swimming. Swimming. Now, the other word we're going to learn is white people. White people are called athugu. 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 That is when there are many. When it's only one person, when it's only one person, it's called muthugu. 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 When there are many, athugu. Black people. Black people are called airu. Airu. When there are many, airu. Airu, black. Ado, people. Black people. Airu. When it's only one person, one black person is called mundu, muiru. Mundu, muiru. Mundu, muiru. Mundu is one person or a person. Muiru is the color, like me. Mundu, muiru. Now, let's say you want to call, let's say for example, a hat, like the one I'm wearing or the one I have on. A hat is called gofia. 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 Now, somebody is passing by, so don't mind. Okay, gofia. This is gofia. There are many kinds of hat, but normally we don't specify them in Kikuyu. We just call a hat gofia. For the men, gofia. For the women, gofia. Whatever, just a hat or a cap, a cape is called gofia. Now, the other thing we are going to learn is, for example, cream. Because when people go for holiday, they always use sun cream, body cream, or whatever kind of cream. Cream or body creams or sun creams are called maguta. Maguta.